Guys, and welcome again to Neutral X series. This is where I'll be talking about trend. Okay, trend movement is very simple. Okay, guys. All right, like I said, we are getting deep on all these because this is all you guys need. So I need to break it down so you guys will be able to understand. Trend movement is very simple. This is where I said you get the highs, the lows, the highs, the low. Okay, these are we have our trend. So I think I need to go to a whiter background here so you guys can see this clearly. So these are called our trend, whereby if you watch the rules or if you watch breakout structure, these are markets. Okay, these are not market, not that not say wow, breakout structure, breakout structure. So these are not mark our trend like we're in an uptrend. Uptrend means once we're having a series of highs and lows, okay. When we are in a downtrend, we'll be having a series of lower high and lower low, okay. Same thing, series of highs and low, okay. But this is a series of low and high, okay. Not change, it will not be series of low and high. All right. So breakup structure to the downside means we are going to the down. That's the trend direction. Okay, so that's the trend direction. So guys, over here, these are you know about trend movement. Trend move in just this is your trend move. We move with eyes up, low, eyes up. Why they move to the why for the downside we move with low, high, low, high. On to the upside is high, low. To the downside is low, high. So don't miss it, guys. That's why I say you can use up and down. So you can see if you see up when you say it's up, if you see down when you see it down. So you don't mistake yourself. That's why I say it's high, low, high, low. Okay, so initially they used to label it like this. Let me show you how they label it. That was okay. Let me turn this one to 10. They'll see. Shit, fuck me. Okay, they'll say ish, high, then they'll come again. Fuck. They'll say ish, then they'll go again, ish low, just like that. Okay, so these are how they do it, because for me I don't usually number mine like this, but if you want to do yours, that's let me write this out again for you guys. HL, so higher low. Why for the downtrend will be lower high, then sorry, let me change this one, maybe L-ish, lower high and lower low. Okay, so these are it's being marked. All right, then there's what we call change of character. So once we are going to the upside like this, then see price break the previous leg, then we are going to the downside. Once price break the previous leg, that create that impulsive move, all right, that broke structure. Once price broke that leg, then we are going to the downside. So this is how it look like. So let's say we are going to the upside here, then price broke to the downside, then here we'll be looking for a sell position. Once price broke, then we'll be looking for a sell position. The moment you see price break like this, start looking for a sell. Once we're in a buy trade, then you start looking for a sell. That's how the trend moves. Vice versa, do it to be down to up. Okay, these are its moves. So let me show you now. Over here we can see we are going to the downside. Price broke structure to the downside, then we're going to the downside. As price broke this previous high, you can see we turn from down to up. You can see we're going to the downside, then when price broke, then we'll start going to the upside. Let me show you guys. Let me use this one. I think this one is much better. then you can see, guys, once price broke, and you remember break of structure, it must break with a body. You can see it broke with a body, then price came in to retest it, then we went straight. All right, so we went straight, guys. So over here, let me show you guys a bear movement as well. Okay, that is for a bull movement. Let me show you about a bear movement. Okay, from bull to bear. All right, so you can see over here we're going to the upside, then price broke. Remember, guys, I see once price broke that leg, we are going to the downside. So you can see the minute price just break the leg, that very minute price broke the leg, you can see price came in to retest again, then we went to the downside, which I'll discuss soon. There's what we call break and retest. I know you guys haven't heard about it, and I didn't talk about it at our 3 videos because you don't need it. Okay, the word break and retest is actually when a candle is being broken down, or that imbalance you guys knowing about now, about supply and demand, candles come back to retest it or refill it. That's what we call break and retest. Okay, or once price support onto resistance, that's what we call break and retest. All right, so all those words are just noise, so don't listen to noise. That's why I want you guys to be neutral. I want to build you guys mind to know about this game. Okay, so these are, you know, about trend movement and how trend changes. All right, guys, so if let me draw. Okay, I think I've drawn bear. Let me draw bear here for you again. That is from up to down. Okay, this is from up to down, then let me draw from down to up. Then we are getting it, then we are coming down, then we got a structure shift. This is how it's been marked, guys. So once you get these, guys, this is how you see your chart. Once price broke, you let it come down. This is how it moves, guys. So for trend, you now know the trend direction. Trend moves series of highs and low. I remember, guys, the rules of trend. That's why I want to actually wait until I want to know if you guys are watching the video or not. This is the last part you guys need to know about it. The rules of trend is that trend stretches 3 to 4 times before it reverses. Major trend. So you pick, remember, if you watch the 3 videos I talk about time frame, so you pick after you pick the kind of trader you want to become, then you pick your time frame, then your major trend stretch 3 to 4 times before it reverses. So one back test, go and do your own and actually know about this game as well. So guys, if you guys actually enjoyed this video and want to support this channel to grow forward, subscribe, okay, like, and let it go. I'm excited teaching you guys about this because it's not easy for me to keep dropping videos back to back, whereby trying to filter the noise for you guys. Like, there's a lot of noise, so if I try to filter more noise off of you guys' mind, you guys will know, okay, this is how the games look like. So it's a game. Trading is a game, but this type of game is a serious game and a spiritual one. It's a live game, up and down. The moment you start in this game, you know about it. So let's get on it, guys. Subscribe, like, and let's get to work. Okay.